A lot of it on the ground across the eastern counties of England, so still quite slippery on some roads here. One or two snow showers also through Lincolnshire and East Anglia, and also now more snow moving across parts of Scotland. You can see on the radar picture just how eastern England was really bombarded with snow showers through yesterday evening, during the night, and through the morning they have been showing signs of easing off, but still one or two brushing down, particularly into North Norfolk. But now our attention turns to the northwest, where we have again thick cloud, a mixture of rain, sleet and snow moving in. Snow particularly up over the higher ground, but even at lower levels, I think, across eastern and southern Scotland during this afternoon, we will see further snow. Some sleet, perhaps, for parts of Northern Ireland. It should turn to rain here later, as indeed it will across western Scotland. Some of that wet weather also getting into northwest England by the end of the afternoon. Still, as I said, one or two snow showers for Lincolnshire and East Anglia, but much of England and Wales dry and bright with some winter sunshine. But it's still pretty cold. Temperatures really struggling. It doesn't feel quite as cold as yesterday because the winds aren't quite as strong. The wind's picking up, though, again from the northwest. Temperatures starting to actually increase here later on. Now, through this evening, we need to watch this weather front as it slips southwards. It'll bring some further snow, particularly across the Pennines during the evening, and then through the early hours, it'll work its way across Lincolnshire, the East Midlands, and by the end of the night into East Anglia again. Those are the areas, you remember, that were worst hit through yesterday. So we do need to keep an eye on this. We could see a further 6 hours of snow in places, certainly a further 5 centimetres or more likely in places. The good news is, as things turn milder and that snow turns to rain, it should also start to melt the snow which has fallen. But certainly that snow refreezing tonight, so again pretty tricky through this evening, -3. But things will get a little bit warmer. As that front slips southwards, it'll introduce some milder air, and again that will help to melt the snow. But still some of that snow around into the morning, maybe through the East Midlands, particularly East Anglia, possibly in the southeast too, a mixture of sleet and snow here, so not great again on the roads. Out across South Wales and southwest England, again damp, but mostly it will be rain here, except perhaps up over the moors. All that wet weather will try and move away, but only slowly, and I think through East Anglia and the southeast, it will stay wet into the afternoon. Becoming brighter elsewhere, not too much in the way of sunshine, and further showers coming in. Now, those